Hey, what's up guys? Christian over at Fit Car Stereo. Today we're in a Toyota Tacoma and I'm going to show you how to drop this overhead panel to replace the factory Bluetooth microphone with a aftermarket microphone that we make that works for the aftermarket radios. Alright guys, in order to drop this overhead panel to put the microphone in here, you have to take this little square out and then there's 4 screws that hold it in. Alright, so we're going to just go in there with a PPT1. Alright, and then I believe, let me just double check, this is a T20. Yep, T20 Torx. There's going to be one in here, one in here. Alright, I like putting them in that little cup holder thing. 2. And we'll open this baby up, and probably never noticed them, but they're in here. 3. They're tiny and they're black, so be very careful not to drop them. And then on this one, just hold up the panel because it's going to come at you. Oops, there it goes. Right, now on the back side over here. Oh, you're going to need some light to see that. On the back side over here is the Toyota microphone. Alright, so let me just see. So you unplug it. And I should just wiggle out. Let me just double check. There you go. Comes right out. Oh, you guys aren't even seeing that. Adjust the camera. Hold on. I mean, adjust the camera. Fix some lighting too. Alright, it's a little bright, but you get the point. Alright, so we're gonna just unplug here, and then this thing just wiggles out. Alright, that's the microphone. Now it leaves the hole for us for you to put the mic toy one. Alright guys, so this is the connector we took apart. I recommend just tape it back to the harness, so that way it's not just rattling around. Last thing you do is put it back together and you hear this thing banging around up there. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to install the microphone in the factory location. This is the mic toy one. Alright, so it just snaps right in. I usually recommend put this opening towards the driver. You can see, fits perfect. Alright, now we're going to run the cable out through the front. I know the lighting's a little off, but should have turned off the bottom. I just grab the cable. You can see an opening right there. Alright, so basically I just ran it down the middle. You also want to be sure when you put it back in, be mindful of the screw holes. The last thing you want to do is drill into the hole when you're done installing it. Alright. So that's it. Just do it that way and then just put the 4 screws back on. Alright, so next step is to remove this handle to run the mic down here. Alright, so you're just going to stick a panel tool in here. Oops. I'm trying to be nice because this is right in front of your face, so you don't want to mar it up. Alright, and then down here. And there's two 10mm bolts, as in most Toyotas in here. Here's one, and here's two. Where are you? There you go. Alright, and once you pull those two out, this whole thing can be aired out nice and easy. And all you have to do is grab this cable and tuck it. Right, so I'm gonna start over here. So you can't see that, but if you start over here and you just pull down and tuck it, it makes life a lot easier. Because then you can stick your fingers in like that and go all the way across. Alright, there you go. Actually, you know what? Let's continue here. So if you look over here, there's this white channel for factory wires. Plenty of room in there. So just stick the microphone cable right in there and use it as a guide. Alright, this one looks like it splits open. And that one at the bottom also splits open. Alright, that's that. So now we're here. We're down here. And then let me see how I can show you that. Alright guys, I know this isn't the best shot, but I'm low on batteries and I bought the wrong batteries. So, if you guys notice, the audio quality on this isn't going to be really good. I just bought this and I haven't figured out how to use the Bluetooth. I don't have a Bluetooth mic, and this only takes a Bluetooth mic. So we gotta figure that one out. Anyway, that's how that pops out. Stick your tool in there and it just jumps out at you. Now the microphone is over here. Now we're gonna grab, I'm just gonna use a grabby tool and hopefully shoot straight across. Looks like it went right across, no problem. Of course the phone rings now. Tiny. Let me go get that phone. Alright, sorry about that break. I had to take that phone call. Alright, so now we're gonna put the, so what I'm looking here is that hole's really small, so put the microphone first. And then follow it behind. And if we're lucky, it goes all the way through. I can get it on the other side. This is not a friendly one. No, it's not bad. It's a friendly one. You stick your hand on. See, it's friendly because I can control it from this end. I thought the hole. Sometimes the hole's so small you can't really get to it, but this one's fine. All right, so there you go. Now you just put the things back on. Pull this backward a little bit. Actually, just tuck in the wire a little bit. It's gonna, so when you put it in, you don't want it. So when you put it in, if you look at this, 1, 2, 3, you don't want the wire to get pinched by one of those three. All right, and boom, there you go. Behind the radio. Don't forget to get the converter if you're doing a Pioneer radio. All right.